So here we are. We've got the clasp here. I'll just put it on the side here near the vise here. And here's the belt. And all we've done is just got a scissors, cut the old bit off. Now we've got a nice clean surface. Now we just fold a small proportion of the belt like this. Then you see we put it in a vise and you close the vise up as tight as you can. Like that, I'll just push it in a little bit, it was just sticking out a bit. Now as I said, just push it in and that would be the size you can put into it. So as you can see, and this fits nicely in. You have to push a little bit hard in, but once you got it right in, you just squeeze the clasp like this. You can see it's quite tight fit. Once it's down, this thing is not going to come out of the buckle, as you can see. I hope this helps any people that have this problem. And well, I suppose, well, that's about it.